Welcome to another review by thisreviewer.com. Today we're looking at a ZEEQ Smart Pillow by Renfit. A smart pillow that plays your music, monitors and reacts to your snoring, analyses your sleep and wakes you up. As you can see, the packaging looks really good and instantly makes clear what's in the box. A smart pillow that streams music, stops snoring and provides sleep analysis. There's also an app for your smartphone which is currently only available for Apple and Android users. You need the app and a smartphone in order to use the ZEEQ pillow. On the side of the box you can see some of the key features of this product, including the wireless music, sleep analysis, a party friendly alarm, sleep motion, the music sleep timer and the snore alarm. As soon as you open the product, you're greeted by a sound box announcing the arrival of your smart pillow. A nice touch. Inside the box you will find a rigid clear plastic cover with an illustration which gives some explanation on how the speakers and vibration system is positioned inside the smart pillow. The smart pillow itself, you can see the quality of the stitching on both sides of the pillow is first class. A comprehensive quick start guide, which is one of the best we've seen, a pillowcase made out of a wood-based fibre called Tencel, extra stuffing for the pillow, a detailed instruction manual. In this box you'll find plug adapters from all around the world, including Asia, Europe and the United States. You can see here that they're all individually wrapped. This is the power lead. Let's get them all unwrapped. That's the power USB adapter. Simply slide the dual USB power pack into the UK plug and then put in the power lead and you're ready to go. The pillow itself has a comfort foam outer shell, 2 adjustable vibration motors, 8 wireless speakers, a sleep monitor and a control unit. We were really impressed by the ZEEQ Quick Start Guide, which is one of the best we've seen on the market. It's really well put together and easy to understand. We charged up the pillow for a few hours, which has a 2-week battery life. Once the smart pillow was fully charged, we turned it on by pushing this button here. And then simply put the remote control back into the side pouch. Okay, let's take a look at the app. We downloaded the app from the Apple App Store. You can also download it from the Play Store if you have an Android phone. The app has a video instruction guide on how to set up and use the smart features. The video was particularly impressive and very user friendly. We found it easy to set up and it took about 15 minutes. With the ZEEQ app you can download music to your smart pillow, set an alarm which will vibrate the pillow and play your favourite track. You can also review your sleeping pattern, which shows how long you slept and how many sleep movements you've had. Plus you can take a look at the snore score, which shows your average and peak decibel ratings. What we loved about the ZEEQ Smart Pillow: the comfort foam, the detailed quick start guide, the instruction video that came with the ZEEQ app, streaming music to your pillow, I mean how cool is that, the adjustable vibration motors, the dual slot USB charger, charge your phone and your pillow at the same time, and the sleep analysis data. What we didn't like, the pillow is a bit heavier than a normal pillow. If you don't get 2, your partner will steal it. Priced at £199 or $299, and it can be bought online at www.shop.rem-fit.co.uk.